University certified sex counselor and educator on love, relationships, intimacy, and human sexuality. I'd like to welcome you to my instructional video on prostate play for couples. This video will help you to discover the pleasures that prostate play can bring to your sexual relationship. Prostate play can be a very rewarding experience, whether you are into stimulating the inner pleasures of the prostate or the external sensations of the anus and the buttocks. The rectum is shaped like an S and has a slight curvature. Exploring the curve of your man's rectum and learning his shape can make deep insertion much more pleasurable for him. If a man is lying on his back, the rectum slightly curves upward towards the prostate and then curves slightly downwards away from his prostate. This is important to know when using long dildos and vibrators. It's important to be aware of where the prostate is regardless of the position that he is in. Now, a good rule of thumb is to visualize the prostate inside his rectum and towards his belly button. If he is in missionary position on his back, his prostate is inside and up towards the belly button. But if he is in kneeling position or doggy style, his prostate is inside and downward towards his navel.
One way that couples can incorporate prostate play into their lovemaking is by playing a simple game. You're able to explore your sexual fantasies and your boundaries as well.
Well, for me, this is by far the best relationship I've ever been in, and it all boils down to communication and trust. This is something that I needed to feel comfortable to explore, and those were the perfect ways, the mechanisms to do it. What we found worked for us is she gives a great massage, and during massage, I just kind of suggested to go lower and lower and see where it went.
Take it a little step further.
Yeah. A woman can please a man through prostate stimulation through two means, enthusiasm and technique. Most people aren't going to have great technique right out the gate. They're trying this for the first time. Knowing that she's interested in this, knowing that my comfort matters to her, knowing that she's trying to help me find that perfect orgasm, that's what means the most to me.
And lots of lube. And going slow. And like you said, communication, making sure everyone's comfortable, and having the best time they can.
A prostate orgasm is just mind-blowing. That's the only word that I can use to describe it. It's so much deeper, it's so much longer lasting. Instead of a localized, okay, and I'm done, it's full body. And every guy needs to try it.
And it's hot to watch. I would tell other women to make them feel more comfortable about prostate play that they need to look at it as helping their partner achieve the best, most amazing orgasm that they possibly can. I mean, it's that simple. You have to overlook all the taboo and all the talk that it's wrong and you shouldn't do it and it has all these other things that go along with it. It's helping your partner.
I agree. It's empowering. Traditionally, people would think that she's doing this to me. Instead, I'm asking her or to do this to me. It's just the only word I can use to describe it. It's just empowering. It's coming out of those traditional roles. Prostate play has increased the intimacy in our relationship by giving us a level of trust we never had before. Intimacy is through the roof. The sex is unparalleled. And it all came from communication. What do you think, honey?
It's plain fun. And I think that you will find that the more you please your partner, the more they're going to want to please you.
Emotionally, physically, and sexually.
Well, the first time we experimented with prostate play wasn't on our first date.
That's for sure. Although I would have minded.
Well, about a few months into our relationship, we started sharing each other's fantasies and getting more involved with what we each wanted. And you told me what you wanted.
Yeah, and kind of just divulged that I was interested in experimenting with prostate play, and it's a little bit shy to present the matter, but she was very accepting and very open-minded about it.
A couple can incorporate sex toys into their prostate lovemaking by doing the research, because we didn't even know that there were toys specific to the prostate.
Yeah, exactly. We were completely unaware, and just with a little bit of research can take you a long way. And a regular orgasm feels amazing, but incorporate some prostate sex toys and just feels simply amazing.
Yeah, because initially we used a G-spot toy, which worked really well.
Yeah, you remember that?
Yeah. But then when we did some research, we actually got toys that were specific to prostates, and they were a lot of fun.
Yeah, they were. Men should explore the prostate for a few reasons. Number one, it's part of the male's reproductive organs or reproductive system. Two, it's very therapeutic. And three, research studies have proven that reduces risk of prostate cancer. And above all, it's loads of fun.
As a woman, what excites me the most about prostate play is just pleasing my lover. I mean, it's very erotic for me when I can get him off, and it's exciting to see him enjoy it so much, and that's a turn on for me.
She's very good at it, too.
A woman can help a man experience a prostate orgasm by just getting acquainted with the area, exploring it. You can start out slow, see what it looks like, see what it feels like, and then do research about it. And together you can really figure out what works for the guy and what gets him off.
Yeah. She's very good. She's puts me at ease, very comfortable, very responsive to my body, and just very soft and sensual. Yeah.
Well, my favorite way to stimulate the prostate is with a vibrating prostate toy.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like using them.
I like 69ing because we then both get to give each other pleasure, and we both get to come at the same time.
Yes, that is great.
And I like that when we both come at the same time. It's pretty
great.
hot.
Yeah, it is. Oh, I love having anal sex with you.